Hello everyone. Today we have SQT-1044, which is our sequential timer. As the name suggests, a sequential timer operates the relay outputs one by one, in sequence. In this model, relays turn on and off step by step in order. This particular model, SQT-1044, has 8 relay outputs. The model SQT-1022 comes with 4 relay outputs, and SQT-1044 comes with 12 relay outputs. Now let's see the connections. Terminals 1 and 2 are for phase and neutral, with a supply range of 100 to 270 volts AC, typically 230 volts AC. For demo purposes, I have connected only 4 relay outputs and used 4 LEDs to visualize the sequence. I have taken phase from terminal 1 and looped it to the common terminals C4, C3, C2 and C1. 1 C4, C4 C3, C3 C2, C2 C1. So now, all 4 relay commons have phase available from the NO contacts of each relay. From NO4 I have taken phase to LED 4. From NO3 to LED 3. From NO2 to LED 2. From NO1 to LED 1. All LED neutrals are tied together and connected to terminal 2, neutral. This way, whenever a relay turns on, the corresponding LED will glow and show the sequence. To enter basic settings, press and hold the left arrow key. Then switch on the power supply of the timer. On power up, the display first asks for A. Number of channels. Here I have selected 4 channels, because I am using 4 LEDs in this demo. If you are using all 8 relay outputs, you can select 8 here. Press set again. B. Number of cycles. This is the number of cycles, N dot of CYC. I have kept it at 1, which means the sequence will run once and then stop. If you want continuous operation, you can set this value to 0. Then the sequence will repeat continuously. Press set again. C. Mode, common or individual. Here we get 2 options. Common mode. Individual mode. If you select common, the same time range, seconds, minutes, hours, will be used for all relays. If you select individual, you can set different time ranges per relay. For example, relay 1 in seconds, relay 2 in minutes, relay 3 in hours. For this demo, I keep it in common mode. Next, for input type, we have 3 options. Power on, timing starts as soon as power is applied. Trigger, timing starts only when you give an external trigger pulse from a push button or switch. Enable pulse, the sequence will run only as long as the enabled pulse is present. As soon as the pulse is removed, the sequence stops. Here I have wired a trigger push button, so we will select trigger mode. Press set again. Now we get memory, yes, no. If memory is equal to yes, the timer can retain the stage in case of power loss. If no, it will start from the beginning after power comes back. After selecting memory option, press enter to save the settings. For triggering, I have used an external toggle or push button. The trigger input is connected across terminals 8 and 11. For reset, you can also connect an NO push button across 8 and 9. Terminal 12 is used as ground reference when you use cascading. If you need more than 8 outputs, you can cascade 2 SQT-1044 timers. For cascading, terminal 12 of both timers must be common. Terminals 14 and 15 of the first timer provide a cascade pulse output, which should be connected to terminals 8 and 11 of the second timer. This way, when the first timer finishes its full sequence, relay 1 to relay 8, it sends a pulse to the second timer, and the second timer starts its own sequence. Important points for cascading. The number of cycles on both timers should be set to 1. Input mode must be trigger pulse, so that the second timer starts only when it receives the pulse from the first. Now let's go into second level settings. To enter the advanced menu, press and hold set and the left arrow together. Pass will appear. Enter password 1044. Press set to enter. Here we have 3 function modes: delay off, cycle, delay on. First, we keep mode is equal to delay off. Next is range selection. This defines whether time is in seconds, minutes, or hours. For the demo, we keep it in seconds. Press enter to confirm. Now to set the relay on durations. Press set once. Relay 1 time appears. I set 3 seconds for relay 1. Press set again. Relay 2 time, also 3 seconds. Press set again. Relay 3 time, 3 seconds. Press set again. Relay 4 time, 3 seconds. If any time is incorrect, you can go back, adjust it, and finally press enter to save. Now when I press the trigger push button, relay 1 turns on for 3 seconds, then turns off. Then relay 2 turns on for 3 seconds, then off. Then relay 3 for 3 seconds. Then relay 4 for 3 seconds. Because the number of cycles is equal to 1. The sequence stops after completing all 4 relays. That is delay off mode. Each relay runs for its set time, then turns off, and the sequence moves ahead. Now let's change to delay on. Go back to the menu. Change mode is equal to delay on. Time settings remain the same. In delay on mode, for each relay, the timer waits for the delay, then turns the relay on. For example, with 3 seconds. After trigger, 3 seconds delay, then relay 1 on. Next, a 3-second delay, then relay 2 on. Then delay, then relay 3 on, then relay 4 on. In this mode, relays remain on continuously until you reset the timer. After reset, the sequence stops. And when you give trigger again, the cycle repeats. Now we select the third mode, cycle. In cycle mode, for each relay we can set delay time, DLY, on time, off time. For example, for relay 1, delay is equal to 2 seconds. On time is equal to 3 seconds. Off time is equal to 2 seconds. Similarly for relay 2, delay is equal to 2 seconds. On is equal to 3 seconds. Off is equal to 2 seconds. Same pattern for relay 3 and relay 4. After setting all, press enter to save. Now when I give a trigger pulse, for relay 1, 2 seconds delay, 3 seconds on, 2 seconds off. Then relay 2 starts. 2 seconds delay, 3 seconds on, 2 seconds off. Then relay 3 with the same pattern. Then relay 4, and then the sequence stops. Because the number of cycles is equal to 1. On the display you may see messages like CST on, indicating cascading sequence done. So, using SQT-1044, you can control 4, 8, or even more relays in sequence. Choose delay off, delay on, or cycle mode. Start sequence by power on, trigger pulse, or enable pulse. Set the number of cycles as 1 or continuous. Cascade 2 timers to achieve more than 8 outputs. The same logic and programming can also be used in SQT-1044 relay model and SQT-1044 12 relay model. For more such application videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.